Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite products because coffee is one of my favorite things in the world. So I'm talking about the Keurig Coffee Machine, guys. Absolutely classy, suitable for domestic purposes, official purposes, you want to keep it in a cafe, gift it to someone as an anniversary gift or something. Along with the coffee machine, you also receive coffee pods because that is what goes into the coffee machine, and they are all assorted. So this one is the hot milk chocolate, then we have this Newman special blend. This one here, it says a dark roast. There is also like the whole manual booklet which clearly states all the steps of instructions. So guys, this has a capacity of 18 mugs before you refill more water, so because it is designed to work for official like cafe purposes as well. So guys, once you've plugged in the machine, the first thing we're going to do is pick up this lid and fill it up with water. So just putting some here, putting it right back. So you have to lift it up like this. So just trying this one. Just close it. I'm gonna place my mug here and hit the brew button. Guys, to me this is a pretty high-tech kind of a coffee machine. There is this the LED screen that is flashing. You can choose your size, the language. So guys, the water compartment right here, this is detachable. You can detach it, wash it nicely. All right guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.